All right, guys, today we are taking a look at the thermal imaging camera from Teslong. This thing is extremely valuable. It's an incredible value. What it does is it's going to show you 120 by 90 pixels. It's got a 25 hertz refresh rate. It's going to measure temperatures. It's going to be able to give you visuals of temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a measurement accuracy of ±2 degrees. You can also analyze this with a PC. So what it does is it does have video recording supported. So you can record video on this and then upload it to your PC. And it's also a 1 million pixel visible light camera. So let's go ahead, unbox this and take a look at it. All right, so it comes in a very nice case. Got my puppy right here, so I'm going to show him. Here's the box, bro. So here's the case. It's a very nice, kind of semi-hard case. So it's got a nice protective covering over it. Also has a carabiner so you could hang it somewhere. Let's go ahead and open it up. So on the inside, we have the device itself right here with, let's just take it out and show you. So you've got the device right here, very nice handheld. It's lightweight but durable. You also have a little handle that you can attach to the end of it if you want to wrap that around your wrist. So that's the device itself. Here's the charging cable. And then here is the manual. So in order to charge it, all we do, now this is a USB-C to USB. Let's go ahead and see if we can find the charger here. Here it is. So right here at the top, you've got that USB-C port. Plug that right in. Plug this end into a USB, and you're charging right up. And let's go ahead and power it on. So you can see here, we've got the power on button. We've got the OK button, and we've got a light, probably a brightness button. And then we've got the screen right here. So I'm going to go ahead, power it on. And you can see it's powering on right now. There we go, dude. And there's me. And there's me in the thermal. Thermal imaging. Thermal imaging, Matthew Paul. That's me. So you can see, okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look this way. So it's measuring. So you can see the lights are coming out and shining out. Turn this off and see what it does. Just kind of trying to get some vibes here. So we can see the temperature there. It shows right in that center spot, 75.3 degrees. We can also go to image mode. We can go to color palette. So this is showing the black hot mode. This is rainbow mode. This is the hottest mode. Yeah, it's really interesting because it's really hot outside, and if we look towards the window, the temperature goes up immediately. So that's very interesting. I like the different color options depending on what you're looking for. This is probably my favorite, high contrast. So you can see it's warmer out there, cooler here. So that's very interesting. We can even see, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do this. This will be the last thing I check. We'll check the pup here. You can see that MFer is hot. He's over 80 degrees. It's funny seeing him in that. And then what you could do, let's see. And so if we want, we are now recording video. As you can see up there, it's being recorded. So what we could do is record this video, and then at the end, click to end it, and then we could upload that to our PC. So as you can see, for a novice like me, this was extremely simple and easy to figure out. I think for somebody that's looking for a thermal imaging camera, the value is incredible here. Lightweight, very portable, definitely going to work for pretty much anybody that's looking for something like this. I highly recommend the Teslong thermal imaging camera.